Okay, Chase. Hey, just wanted to do a real quick video on how the projects actually work. So as you can see here, I am in module 1, and here is the project. And basically when you click on this, a new window should open up that says you can read each step and do each of the projects, each of the steps one by one. You have 3 submissions, so basically if you don't get all of the points the first time around, you can actually fix it and then resubmit it. So, but what we're going to do here is we're going to click on Start, and this here is that instruction file that I was telling you about. So this here, when you download this, it will be the step-by-step instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to download, and basically it's going to open up. Here is my download file. So I'm just going to kind of put him over here right now. And then here is the start file, and notice that it has my name attached to it. So your name should actually be here. So I'm going to click on this, and as you can see, it's downloaded and it's in my download folder. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of my download folder and move it to my desktop. And so I'm just going to click, drag, and put it on my desktop. And then I can close the downloads window. And then I'm going to minimize everything here so that I have my start instruction file. And then I'm going to open up my Excel file and move it over here so that you can actually see what we're doing. And this helps when you have dual monitors, as you can imagine. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go step by step. So we've opened up the file. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do a file save as, and we're going to change the 1 at the end of the file name to a 2. So we need to enable the editing first. And we're going to do a file save as, and then again I'm going to go to my desktop so I know exactly where it is. Then I'm going to change that 1 to a 2 and click save. And then the next thing we're going to do is, with this file open, we're going to ensure that our first name and our last name is on the documentation. And as you can see, it's there on the documentation sheet. And then here is the complete analysis. So what they want us to do is basically go through and do these steps. So once you've done these steps all the way through, and that's what your file is going to look like at the end. It's going to have all of those charts once you go through all of those steps. So it is really good with regards to, there's 15 steps and then multiple steps within each step. But when you're all done, your file will have this as your company analysis sheets. This here is going to be also on the company analysis sheets, as well as the pie chart on that company analysis sheet. So once you're all done, you're going to save. And then I'm going to close, and then I'm going to go back in to where the MindTap project is, and then I'm going to click on the upload, and then I'm going to find the one that has the 2. Notice here's the one with the 1, and then here's the one with the 2. I'm going to select it, open it, and then I'm going to submit it. And it'll automatically be graded. Obviously I can't submit it because it's past the due date, but it would then automatically be graded. And then if you got anything less than 100, it would actually show you in the reports in SAM what you did wrong and then actually how to fix it. So if this isn't what you're seeing when you are clicking on the project, unfortunately there isn't a project for Unit 2 this week. It won't be until we get into, oh yeah, there is, I'm sorry. There is a Unit 2 project, Module 2 project, so it's right here. So again, you're just going to walk through the steps. There's your download your instructions, and then you're going to download your start file. Again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, move it to my desktop so that I know exactly where it is. And then I'm going to minimize everything. There's my instructions. And then I'm going to open up the file. First thing we always do is enable the editing. And there's the file. Do a file save as. Again, I'm going to go to my desktop, and then I'm going to change the name to a 2. If you change it to anything other than that, Sam won't allow you to upload it. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go, notice I'm not doing any of the instructions, so I'm going to get a big fat 0, but I just want to show you how it all works. So if I go back over here and now upload, I'm looking for the file name that specifically is SCEX162A with the 2 on the end. So EX16, there's 1A, 1A, 2A, and there's the one with the 2 on the end. So I know it's that one. And then I'm going to submit it. Let Sam do his magic. And so obviously the assignment has been submitted, so we get a little confirmation. And then you can view reports. And here's my grading summary. So as you can see, I didn't switch the profit analysis worksheets and apply the theme correctly, so those points were deducted. So if I go back and I apply that theme, I'll get those points. So hopefully that helps. But again, if this isn't what you're seeing, and this isn't the process that's happening with these projects, then you definitely want to work with Cengage and figure out what's going on. In the meantime, if you need me, don't hesitate to give me a call, okay? Thanks.